Hello, this is Norma and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some sweet potato fries. So I got these and I've been soaking them for like an hour because I wanted all the dirt to get off, and then I scrubbed it. I'm going to be using some kosher salt. I'm going to be using some ground cinnamon and some sugar. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to cut our potatoes. I want to leave the skin on. So I've cut it. And now I'm going to take these and cut them in strips. And it's about this size. You can do it smaller. You can do it larger, but that's how I'm doing mine. I'm going to cut it all up and we'll be back. I've cut all my potato strips, my sweet potato. I'm going to sprinkle some salt on it before I fry. I have my oil that's on the stove, and once it gets hot, we're going to move on to the stove to start frying. The oil is ready and I'm going to put my fries in there. I have my oil on medium high. And we're going to let it fry and we'll be back. It is still frying. It's starting to float to the top, so it's almost ready. My potato fries is all done. I'm going to take it out and drain it. I have my fries with some paper towel and it's just draining the oil that's in there. And I have some sugar right here, and I'm going to be adding some of my cinnamon in there. I'm going to mix that around. And I'm just going to sprinkle it on my fries. I've drained the oil out, and I'm just going to sprinkle some of my cinnamon and sugar on my fries. You can skip that process and eat it like that if that's how you want it. But with the salt that I put on it, when I put the cinnamon and the sugar, it just tastes so good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, hit that notification button, and I'll see you the next time I upload. Bye bye.